Next topic beta circuit diagram. As we have discussed about open and closed circuit in our previous topic, but here we will draw that circuit diagram with the help of their symbols. So what is that circuit diagram? A diagram which show the arrangement of various component of an electrical circuit with the help of their symbols. Here you can see bulb symbol, key symbol, cell symbols. Okay. So next thing is here which is closed circuit here and which is open circuit here. Here you can see key is joint, that means circuit is closed and current is flowing from positive terminal to negative terminal. Here you can see key is open, so then current is not flowing through it and bulb will not glow. Next thing beta, electric switches. What is that electrical switches? Here you can see a different type of electric switches which we often see at our home also. So what is that electrical switch? Electrical switches are device that make or break a circuit. We often see at our home. The on and off mechanism of any electrical circuit is controlled by a switch. Here also we have drawn a switch. When switch is in off position means that time circuit is open. Here circuit is open and the current does not flow through the circuit. But when the switch is in on position, then circuit is closed and current is flowing through a circuit. So there are many kind of switches are here. To understand the basic working of switch, we will perform a activity here in briefly. Here they have used a one thermocol piece or a soft wooden piece and two drawing pins and one paper clip and two connecting wires and a cell. So fix two pieces of connecting wires and paper clips as shown here in figure with the help of drawing pins as shown below. Okay, so your simple switch is ready. Now connect the switch here. Now connect the switch in a circuit containing a torch bulb here, a torch bulb and other to the drawing pins here, drawing pins. Move the clip up like this way and down repeatedly. What you will observe? You will observe that when you will join the both pins with the help of clip, then bulb will glow, and when you uplift that paper clip, then circuit is incomplete and bulb will not glow. Okay, so next thing is why does the bulb light up when clip touches both of the drawing pins? So when the gap between two pins is closed, then switch is set to be on and circuit is completed and bulb is glow. When the gap between two pins is open, then switch is set to be in open or off position, then circuit is incomplete and bulb will not glow. Next thing beta, here it's a diagram what things are present inside the torch. So this diagram you will do. So here one by one we will discuss. First of all, outer body of plastic or metallic casing, and here upper side metal switch is placed which slide forward and backward position to switch on or switch off the circuit. Inside it metallic spring is there which act as an active terminal. Then cells are used in this arrangement. Then bulb, electrical bulb is used which is connected with the positive terminal of that cells. And one thing is here reflector which reflect the light and we can see very far object with the help of torch. Okay beta.